I thought I'd create a video with a quick explanation on creating a video of your PowerPoint with narration, and also any writing or anything like that you want to put on there. So the first thing is to make sure your PowerPoint is the latest, saved as the latest version of PowerPoint. If it's not, you won't be able to access some of the functions. So what you could do is go to slideshow, record from the beginning, and you'll get this screen. You may end up with a little picture there with which you can include, but if you want to remove that, just click the video icon. Make sure that the microphone's not crossed out, because otherwise you won't be able to have your narration on there. Hit record and your PowerPoint will start. You can just go through it as you normally would a lesson, discuss any of the points, give voice instruction, get them to pause it, do something, and then go on with. There's any number of things you can do, but you can give the explanations. The key ones is that you can obviously draw over the top by selecting the pen tool. You can change color. You can erase those. You can also create a highlighter where you highlight points and change color with those as well. So I go through, narrate it as you normally would, go and explain examples, and then set it up with maybe some instructions to do some exercises at the end. Once you're finished, you can hit stop. And if we close the screen, we should end up with a little speaker at the bottom, which will be the replay of your video. So if you want to check to make sure that it works and sounds right, you can start the slideshow as you normally would, and then you can hear the narration come up as it was. So, so once you're happy that the video is okay and it's the way you want it, you can go to save a copy. Okay, so saving a copy, if we go to decide where you want to put it, I'm going to put it on desktop. Key thing is to make sure you change it to a video file like MP4, or the one that's after that is Windows Media. Go to MP4, it should work on most devices. So then if we go save, it takes a bit of time, so I'm going to pause it. The status of the creating the video is down here. You have to wait for the bar to go all the way to the end. If you want to cancel it for any reason, hit the X. Okay, once that's finished, you can open up your OneNote. Once it's been added, you just click on it. And that's it.